Hi everyone, we will learn about Vacha. Its botanical name Acorus calamus, family Acoriaceae. Synonyms are Aruna, Golomi, Lomashi, Jatila, Shataparvika, Shatgrantha. Rasapanchaka, Rasa Katu Tikta, Guna Lagu Tikshna, Katu Vipaka, Ushna Virya, Prabhava, Medya. Its karma are Medya, Lekhana, Vibandhahara, Apasmarahara, Atisaratna. Its dosha karma are Kapha Vata Shamaka, Kapha Shamaka, Rogagnata, Unmada, Apasmara, Vibhanda, Arshas and Mutra dosha. Its Amayika Prayoga are in Apasmara, Vacha powder taken with honey is very useful in Apasmara. In Shota, paste of Vacha and Sarshapa, if applied, reduces Shota. In Suryavarta, paste of Vacha and Magati is mixed with honey, then used as an Avapidana Nassa. Its yogas are Manasamrita Vataka, Vachadi, Churna, Vachadika, Churna 0.5 to 1 gram in Aushodhartha, 1 to 3 gram in Vamanartha.